Howdy guys, I'm back in the spot where I found that diamond flowery pin. I've been here about 30 minutes and I just dug this contraption. I don't think it's that old, kind of modern. What it was used for, I don't know. Alright, oh yeah, I got me a new toy that came in yesterday. The Pro Pointer AT. Much better. My older one was defaulting a lot, making me frustrated. See how this one works out. I might do more live digs now, because you know the old one was defaults and then I couldn't stand it. Alright, well, stay tuned. Right there, I just dug that weird contraption piece and I worked this way. Oh, and I'm still using a big coil, by the way. And I just dug this buckle. Pretty cool buckle. Alright, stay tuned. Okay guys, I got the hole dug. It's out of the plug in this clunk. It's right in this area, so I'm going to try to do see what it is. Alright. I think I see it. I think it's just a piece of tin. Alright, this is what you get when you try to do kind of a live dig. Alright, well, stay tuned. Okay, I'm back. I just dug a coverall button. It's got a train on it. Alright, stay tuned. Okay guys, it's not very often I find a surface find. Yep, I don't think it's that old, but pretty cool. I think I found one of these a couple days back, and it's got stars on it. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, I'm back and I finally found a coin. A Wheatie. $19.52 Wheatie. Stand tuned. Alright, looks like I found another snap button. Okay, stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm doing my little wrap up. My new pin pointer. Alright, here's the junk I dug. Iron ring, some whatnot, copper wire. Alright, to my better finds. This thingamajigger. Buttons. Here's a button with the train. This cool little type of button. And here's a clip, whatever this is. I found it on the surface. Pretty cool find. This buckle's pretty cool. I don't think it's that old. It sure is rusty though. And here's the only coin I found today. 1942 Wheatie.